Hey, and what's up, you guys? It's your girl LaShonda B, and I am back with a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this lovely pedal bang bun style. So as you guys can see, I am starting on freshly retwisted hair. It looks really nice and shiny. I will put videos in the description box of my retwist videos so you'll know how I do that. But we're just going to get right into the styling part. So first you want to pull as many locks as you think you'll need in the front of your head. I'm starting off myself with 6 locks. My locks are already thick, so I feel like a small amount will go a long way and make my bang look really full. If you have small and medium locks, I feel like you would need more, but it's totally up to you and how you want this look to come out. So now you guys just seeing me put the bang locks in a ponytail to keep that out of the way. And now we're going to get started on the bun. So first I pull up the locks and then I make sure they're retwisted in the motion that they were originally retwisted and formed, which is kind of difficult for my hair because my locks go every which way, you guys. So as you guys can see, I'm just trying to figure it out so it can come out neatly. But if your locks are all retwisted in the same motion, this will be a lot easier for you. The reason I'm also retwisting before putting it into that bun, I feel like it makes it easier. It doesn't give it a clumpy look, and then it also makes it look neat. Like, who doesn't love a good retwist look? So I'm just doing that to my entire head and then running my fingers through the locks as well because my locks are very thick. And it's more than what my hand can hold and handle. So I'm just trying to make it as flat and easier of a process as I can. And it was about this time I knew I effed up. Y'all, my hands were literally burning. Like, this is such a process. So if you have thick locks, just think twice before wanting to do this style. But I still say you should go for it, sis. Like, just go for it. Beauty is pain. Now you guys see that I have managed to get all of it in one spot and look neatly and flat. So I'm just taking my oversized headband and wrapping it around my hair. I do suggest you use an oversized headband. If you don't have one, just get a scrunchie or something like that. That won't be too tight or damaging on your head. But yeah, I'm just placing that around there and trying to make sure that I don't put it on too tight. And then in the back area, my locks tend to fall out of the ponytail. So you guys are just watching me scoop it right under the headband to hold it in place. Now I have a little bit of relief, you guys, a little bit. But now we're getting to the bun, the actual bun. So what I do, I like to twist it around. I feel like it makes it an easier process and it also holds the lock in place more. But as you guys can see, sometimes that just doesn't work out and it slips. So if that's the case, I like to go in and just smush all of my locks into one ball and then put the headband around it. And sometimes hairs or locks do tend to stick out, but it still makes the process much easier. So for the locks that did not make it into the bun, I slightly tuck that under the headband and be very careful because we don't want our hair to be too tight to the point where we get a headache, ladies. We just want to look good. And then sometimes I just take the remainder of those locks that just can't do that and I poke it in with my fingertips, and then I go in with bobby pins to also hold them in place so the bun can look really, really neat and stylish. Now, you guys, it's time to get started on the bang, and I was so tempted to leave my hair like this because it's so cute. But let's make sure we have rubber bands with us, and we are going to retwist our first lock in the motion that it's retwisted. We're going to make a loop, take the tip, and wrap that around the top, the root of the lock. And then we're literally just going to apply the rubber band, and that's all you do, and keep doing it to each lock that you decide to set out for your bang. So this is how my lock petal bang is looking, and I'm just literally taking bobby pins, placing them on the roots of each lock, and that's just going to hold the bang down nice and flat. So now we're going to go in with some leave-in conditioner. You can use water also just to dampen the bang, and this will help it hold in place once I place the scarf on. And I'm literally just folding my scarf in half to basically fit over the entire bang without slipping off of my head. And then we're going to tie it around the bun area, and I left this on for about 20 minutes before taking it off. Now the scarf is coming off, and this is how the bang is looking. I feel like if you leave it on longer, it will be a little flatter for you, but I was in a rush and just rushing the process. So yeah, leave it on a little longer, and then I'm just going in with some accessories and adding those little beauty supply clips to the bang to make it look really, really nice and fancy. This is the ended result, you guys, and I absolutely love it. This was my first time doing this hairstyle, and I feel like I nailed it. Let me know how you feel in the comment section. But thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and your girl is out. Peace out, y'all.